Hi, this is Sharia for week 5 Spark update. This week a professor couldn't meet up with us, so he told us to start a report on our current batch, as well as to start a batch 3. I'm planning on using the plants that worked best in my last batches, so spinach, kale, and maybe the apple slices. So just a recap of what I've done so far is getting rid of the organic material in plant tissues to create scaffolds that can be used in tissue regeneration, in the process of decellularization, which involves putting the plants in sulfate solutions to dissolve their cell membranes and then bleaching them to further reduce the organic material and chlorophyll. And then these scaffolds can be used in tissue regeneration as a form of tissue grafts or help with skin. So going back to the report I'm creating right now, it basically takes the form of a research paper. And he told us that we essentially need an intro, methodology, results, and discussion, and everything else we can decide what to make. So I wrote out a short intro of the experiment here, as well as the research question here, and then the hypothesis. So these are the materials I'm using, and I'm using my first batch as a placeholder here, but I'll probably just change them to my batch 3 once I finish with that. And I'm using my lower volume solution and freezing that worked well with batch 2 in the final procedure. I added some figures and pictures for results section and wrote out a blurb for the discussion with limitations and future work. I also have the paper I read as a reference here, but I'll probably add some more citations like the video tutorials I watched. So that's it for what I did this week, and since the professor is letting us freestyle this, I don't actually have a full structure for this report. So if any of you have any suggestions on what to add on this report or what plans I should use for batch 3, that'd be really helpful. Thank you.